What's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. Now, normally I'm not on video, but today I was like, you know what, let me just quickly set up a camera, get on video so I can do this giveaway draw. As I mentioned in my last video, one person is going to get a chance to win a 10K funded account. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the draw here today. Maybe it might be you if you're seeing your name up here. Maybe it might be you today, you know, you never know. So I'm gonna do this draw. I'm excited for it. I'm actually pumped. I'm excited. Let's go. All right, let's see. Okay, so let's see who the winner is gonna be. And as I mentioned, you know, once you get the 10K account, I will pass it for you as well. So then you have a funded account which you can trade with and make money with. Okay, so man, should I go ahead and do it? Should I go ahead and do it? I'm doing this real time, by the way, so there's no edits, no bloopers, nothing. I'm doing it real time. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so I'm gonna hit shuffle a couple of times because these are literally like all the names of people that messaged me on Telegram. So if you didn't follow the instruction and you didn't message me on Telegram, then you're not gonna see your name up here. All right, so you know, these are all the people that messaged me. So let me shuffle it. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna shuffle it like let's just keep shuffling till I feel like stopping here. So you guys know that is completely random. All right, so let me just go ahead and shuffle it some more, shuffle it some more. All right, stop. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click the wheel to spin it. Let's see who the lucky winner is gonna be. Let's see who is gonna win the bag. Who is gonna get this funded account? Who's gonna get it? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click spin here. Let's do it, man. Oh my days. All right, let's do it. Should we do a countdown? Should I do a countdown? All right, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click. Whoo! Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh. Danny. All right, Danny. You have won yourself a 10K Kortana challenge account. Congratulations. All right. Now, surprise for you. I know I only said there was going to be one winner, but I decided today I'm going to have two winners. So yes, let's go one more time. Okay, let's go again. So Danny's the first winner. So Danny, I'm gonna reach out to you on Telegram, so you can claim your prize there. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna remove Danny's name here from the list. We're gonna go ahead and shuffle again. Shuffle. Cause we're gonna do it one more time. I know. I hope you guys like surprises. I know. I said there was only gonna be one winner, but you know what? Hey, I'm being generous. So I added one more. Is it gonna be you? All right, one more. Tell me when to stop shuffling. Oh, you can't tell me. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna stop it right here and stop. All right, so I'm gonna do another countdown. We'll see who the second person is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Almost feels like Wheel of Fortune. Ooh, who's it gonna be? Elias. Okay, and that is lucky winner number 2, Elias. All right, so congratulations to Danny and Elias. You have won yourself a 10K Kortana challenge account, as well as, you know, my passing. So I will pass this account for you, so you have yourself a funded account that you can trade and make money with. Thank you guys for being loyal subscribers. I always love to give back, so thank you for being loyal subscribers. Continue to follow, you know, join the Telegram channel as well, where I'll be posting updates. So continue to join me on this journey. You know, and I'll always drop you guys golden nuggets, guys. I'll always bring to you golden nuggets. So continue to, you know, subscribe, you know, like this video, follow the Telegram channel, and stay tuned. You know, who knows what's next. All right, so stay tuned, guys. God bless as always. Happy Sunday, and we'll talk soon. All right, guys. So I'll contact the winner so you guys can, get those accounts going. And God bless. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.